This explanation looks very briefly at how to make an interactive quiz. This student previously has on the screen created a quiz about the alphabet for a younger target audience. So let's look at this. You can see a question, an "oh no you're wrong" and a "well done you're correct", and then it moves on to the next question. It's important that you have it like this simply because if you are wrong you need a link to go back to this one, and if you are correct you need a link to go on to the next question. So each slide has to have a yes and a no answer attached to it. So in real time, what letter comes before D? "Oh no you're wrong." It will then take you back to the question again, and if you are correct it will take you forward to the next answer, and that carries on for about 8 or 9 times as a decent quiz. So let's just see how this works on a simple one I've just done earlier here. Here's my explanation. Question: if it's correct it moves on to the next slide there, a "well done". If it's incorrect, a "sorry", not a "you're rubbish, you're wrong". And then it needs to have a link to go back to this slide. Obviously if you only have one slide for incorrect and all your questions were linked to it, you'd only be able to go back to one page because it's linking to one page. So you need to have a question, and then the incorrect will take you back to the right part of the quiz. Okay? So, nasty clouds are grey is the question. And to make this true, the right answer, I want it to go to this slide. So I'd right clicked on this, and in this menu here was the word hyperlink. I can create, just to demonstrate that, as well as the text box, you can also make the writing a hyperlink as well. So if I go right click hyperlink, yep, and then I can select, this is the correct answer, so there we go. So it's going to go into that slide there, so that will then direct me to the right place. This one I've already done, so if you right click on that and you need to change it at all, you can edit hyperlink, and this one's going to obviously "sorry, try again". Clicking on try again, I've created that "sorry, try again". Edit the hyperlink, it goes back to the question. So you can see why you need a "sorry, try again" or an incorrect going back to the same question. It's important that it goes back to the right question. So again, go back to slide 2. So let's see this now in real time. You click on nasty clouds are grey, false, sorry, try again. It takes you back to here. Okay, true, well done. Go to the next question, and then it'll go on to question 2. Okay, and that is really the heart of this. It's complicated to work out at the start, but if you remember, one question, a yes answer on the next slide, and a no answer that will take you back. So you need 3 slides per question, and you cannot go wrong. And remember, each time to make a hyperlink, just select it, right click on it, and go to hyperlink there, and always place in document, and then you'll see them here and you can preview them there. And that's it. Happy hyperlinking.